the ability to complete all parts of the metal fabrication process is pivotal when it comes to creating quality pieces on a schedule.
Welding is one of the most difficult parts of this process. That is why at Rapid Metal Fab, we have a crew of qualified welders to tackle any fabrication task. Our capabilities include MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel are our specialties, but we are experienced with most other metals. Custom welding and part mass production are both available. Anyone who has run a bead knows how difficult it can be, so to make your life easier, let us be your go-to metal and welding fabrication shop. We will deliver the quality fabrication you need quickly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and consider subscribing. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you next time.